everyone, so option number 2 for today. It does not matter, to be very honest with you, which option you use. Sometimes option 1 is a possibility because you have those materials at home. And if you don't, that's okay too, guys. There's no wrong way to go here. And like I've said in previous videos, it's all about options at this point. So option 2, this is a different approach than option 1. You get to play some games on this one. So I do have a video for you to watch that kind of brings together your choice with option 2 and the choice with option 1. So there's a commonality here. But you are going to participate in an assignment from Legends of Learning. So make sure you click on that. Oh, I'm logged in. I'm sorry, guys. Let me try that again. So you're going to need to go into the student section. In the student section, it's going to ask you here, you have 2 options. Please go to the Play Teacher playlist. And then your teacher code is going to be ENGELK2. It's going to ask you to log in because you already have an account. I created those for you. So when you log in, you are going to need to select your Google account. Select login with a Google account. It's going to ask you to fill in that information. So this is going to be your student ID number at usd259.net. Please do not try to use any other accounts. If you use any other accounts, it will not let you in, and it's going to create a bunch of confusion. So please make sure that you are using your school account to log in. When you get there, you'll see that you have what they're calling the Legends of Learning Awakening assignment. All right, so it's there for you, ready to play. There are questions that you get to use, that you have to respond to. I'll see all of your data, so that's how I know that you're doing it and how well you are doing. Okay, so make sure you go to that Awakening assignment. And make sure that you watch this YouTube video. It's short, 3 minutes. It's a nifty thing. At least you get to see the experiment from option 1 at the very least. And then you have your tasks here. You have the links to my office hours. Please email or call in. I'll have Zoom meetings set up for you. So if you need to get a hold of me, do it that way. You can email outside of those office hours. Just know that I will be checking my emails and responding to those during my office hours, so you might not get a response right away. But if you are catching me during those office hours, I will make sure that all email responses are prompt during those times because I will be at my computer. So good luck, have fun, see you later.